Hi, it's Brad Emery. I want to talk about Live Good again, but specifically, I want to talk about something that happened today. I'm quite big on LinkedIn. I've got about 30,000 followers. So I get a lot of people reach out to me, and I joined some groups that were to do with MLM and network marketing when I was reaching out to people that way. And so I get quite a few messages from those groups trying to pitch me other programs, which is fine. What I found recently, though, is I've got a bunch of people coming to me about a program. I don't even remember the name of the program. It doesn't matter. What I remember is the name of the guy that they're sending me videos of. There's this guy called Dale Calvert. And wow, he's a piece of work. He comes on and he says that he knows Ben Galinsky. He used to work with Ben Galinsky. Ben Galinsky is his friend. And he's done this in multiple videos. And then he goes on to completely assassinate Ben Galinsky and the Livegood program and all the reasons that he thinks it's terrible, when he clearly actually hasn't understood it, hasn't participated in it, doesn't understand the comp plan. He's just there basically saying, this program's terrible, join my program. And the thing that's really bugging me about it is the fact that he keeps saying Ben Galinsky's his friend and then goes on and does the dirty on him. Now, what kind of a friend would that make you? And what kind of a character does this guy have? And why would you join a program which this guy is pushing when he's clearly such a piece of work? I'm trying to be quite careful with my language here. You can gather that I'd like to say something far worse. I don't know Dale. I genuinely don't know him, but I keep seeing videos. I saw 3 different ones today sent to me by one person who could not get that this incensed me or why, and kept telling me that I was being emotional, despite the fact that I explained to him that I do make money with Livegood, and I have people in my downline who make money with Livegood who haven't recruited a single person, and the system works, the process works, and it's worth a lot more than 25 cents per person in your downline once you start to pick up status and build an organization. The multiples come quickly. I think 80% of all the money that comes in through membership fees goes out in commissions, or up to 80% can be. I'll try and get the terminology right, but the program is very generous. It's very generous and it's very cleverly designed. And as I say, this Dale chap clearly hasn't bothered to understand that. He's selling memorabilia, and good luck to him. But frankly, I don't need to assassinate anybody else's program. And I know there are people in Livegood who are out there having a go at other programs. That's not me. I've been in a number, and Livegood works for me, and it works for people in my team, and I'm very happy with it. I'm passionate about it. I don't know. This annoyed me today, and I thought I'd do a little piece on it, but it doesn't really matter, I guess, at the end of the day. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Give me a like. That's how we grow and keep things going. Thanks, everyone. Good night.